Hello guys, today we celebrate surpassing 100 subs and then surpassing 900 more. So how much we have?
153 half.
So we reached 1000 subs. Couple of days ago YouTube sent another play button.
But this time aluminum one.
But this one is a little bit better. Better! So YouTube sent us another letter. Let me read this out loud. Hello Rusted Engines. We have received notification that your channel finally reached 1000 bot accounts. Great work! Don't leave me hanging, man. Your videos finally show up when searched in the search bar. To celebrate your insignificant input to this website, we have sent you this aluminium play button. PS, printer ran out of red paint, so the logo might look greenish. It does indeed look greenish, man. What the hell? They couldn't spare some paint for it.
So guys, thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. You are the real MVP, guys.
Why did you put the intro at the ending, man?
It's called outro, dummy.
So guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.
Maybe soon, maybe not.
I'm going to Portugal. I'm traveling to Portugal. Please visit me.
Please, Patreon. I need money. Support me on Patreon.
Yeah.